Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have a special package from BoostAutoParts today. It's one of the parts I'm actually pretty excited about. It's one of their newest release. It's something that I've always wanted, but never really looked into it because I didn't really think it was possible. And you know, I just figured it would be a lot of work and it would be difficult. But this new kit that Boost Auto came up with, they said it takes about 15 minutes to install. So first things first,
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? See my track, we be coming up,
my package is gonna look a little bit different than yours. Boost Auto sent me a couple of koozies for the truck meet. That's gonna be here in Augusta, December 1st. If you're watching this, it may have happened already. Yeah, we have a lot of koozies. Shout out to BoostAutoParts for all these koozies. I'll be giving them away at the truck show or the truck meet. There you go. I was wondering why the package was so big.
That's what she said.
And then we got plenty of little decals. Alright, so what's in this box is this little kit. And this kit is your wireless charging pad for your truck. And it's something that I've always wanted, mainly because, you know, Peter's truck has this on his Denali, and you know, I have an iPhone XS, and with this XS, it does have wireless charging capability. So I thought it would be really cool if I had wireless charging for this truck as well. But you know, this truck came out in 2010, 2011. Wireless charging wasn't really available back then. It wasn't part of GM's plan to have a wireless charging. It wasn't even like really available for any of the vehicles back then. But it's really cool with this little kit. Now I have wireless charging. So this is your actual wireless charging pad. And then we have a wiring harness. That's it. That's really it. I guess that's really all you need. I'm gonna be making a installation video, but if you guys want to check out the full length, I guess more in-depth video, go check out BoostAutoParts. I will put the link in the description below for this exact kit, as well as their video. Their video might be better in terms of explaining how to install it. I'm gonna give my best shot to show you guys how I'm gonna install this. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this rubber mat. All right, get something narrow, like a flathead screwdriver or something like that. And then, just like that, remove the rubber mat. There's 4 Phillips head screws that you're going to remove. So once you remove those, pop this open. There's going to be 8 Phillips head screws holding this down. After that, this should pop open. Get something sharp. There you go. Not too hard at all. Just like that. Easy so far. After that, there's going to be 2 more screws here, and we'll go ahead and remove those. After that, we're just going to slide this forward, and then it's going to get removed completely. Just like that. We're going to be drilling a hole right here towards the front side, right here in between the 2 holes. We're going to be using a 3/8, and then just drill a hole right there. After this, we're going to be drilling another hole right here. Right there. Just like that. This is a wireless charging pad that came from Boost Auto. We are going to be routing this wire through this, through the hole that we just drilled, just like that. And then we're going to route it through this hole that we just drilled. Just like that. And then we should be able to, there you go, close it. Okay. Once you route it through, you're going to see the wire sticking out here. One thing I forgot to mention is that you do want to remove the rubber padding on this, because we want to put the screws back in. Alright, just like that. So this is what the charging pad looks like. And then we're just going to put the screws back in. The 4 screws that we took off when we first started. There you go. And you're going to put this back on here. Just like that. Just like that. Once you do that, we are going to put the screws back in here as well. Now let's go head over to the back seat. Let's get all the screws that I put in here. And the cup holder. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool and then pop this piece out. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is, I already unplugged the cigarette lighter, but that's what we're going to do. There's that little black tab right here. You press down on it and then it'll pop out. This is a wiring kit that came from BoostAutoParts. We're going to plug it in to where the cigarette lighter used to be. And then this part is going to go back to your cigarette lighter. Just like that. So what that's doing is you're going to be able to still use the cigarette lighter back here in the back seat, but also gives you power to run your wireless charging pad. And then with the wiring harness, what I did was I ran it through here, which pokes out right there. You guys see it? Right there. Last thing we're going to be drilling is this little piece. We're going to drill a hole right here on the left hand side, this area, because that's where the wire is going to come through. Next thing you're going to do is run the wires through the hole and then connect it to this part. There you go, just like that. After that's done, we're going to put the 8 screws back on here and we're going to finish on the back side. I went ahead and popped this back in. Oh god, that sounds nasty. Alright, let's find out how this charger works. Now we'll check it out and see if it works. Would you look at that? Wireless charging is working. Blue light right there. It's indicating that it is charging. And then if we look right here, you see that lightning? Also means it's charging. So this is my 8 Plus. It fits in here perfectly. And if you're wondering, does it work with a case? It sure does. And if you wanted to just turn it all the way off, you press and hold for about 3 seconds. It'll power off all the way, so that way it is no longer charging your device. That is it for today's installation video. Super simple, probably took about 30 minutes. Huge shout out to BoostAutoParts for providing me with this kit. I mean, it's awesome. Now I can charge my phone on here, and if I'm going on a road trip, like my girlfriend can place her phone right here and charge her device as well. So, to end this video, BoostAutoParts and I, well, mainly BoostAutoParts, we'll be doing a giveaway. If you want this for your truck, they make kits for 99 through 07, as well as 07 through 14. So if you want this kit, make sure to get entered, and this is how you get entered. Post a picture of your truck, and then make sure to use hashtag BoostAutoJW_Montoya, and then tag us physically in your picture, or tag BoostAutoParts physically in that picture. You must be following both me, JW_Montoya, and BoostAutoParts on Instagram. You must be following both of us, and then post a picture, tag us, use the hashtag, and we will pick a lucky winner. So get entered. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Hey,